friends, hope everybody's having a fantastic day today. Today we are going to be making rainbow fine motor boxes. For this activity, all you're going to need is a small box like this, some Q-tips, and some markers. So your first step is you're going to take your markers and you're going to color a rainbow on the box just like that. And then you're going to take your Q-tips and you're going to color the tips of each Q-tip a different color from the rainbow. And then with the help of mommy and daddy, you're going to take some scissors and poke holes in each color of the rainbow. And you can do as many holes as you guys would like. And then what you're going to do is take each color and you're going to put it in the correct spot, just like that. And while you do this, you guys can practice naming your colors in English and Spanish. And what is really fun about this activity is once you fill up all the spots, you can pop open the box, take them right out, and do it all over again. So I hope you guys enjoy this activity, and I will talk to you later. Bye!